Okay, this is a short video about the fuel heater in the filter of the LVD V80, and it applies to other vehicles too. The heater is activated by this here, which is a thermal switch which operates between 6 degrees and heats turns the heater on, which is down here, and the switch for that, you can see the wiring under there, and it cuts off at 15. So it gets its power, the switch gets its power from over here, and it comes through that fuse there, which activates the relay, turns the heater on, which comes from that fuse there, and then of course the heat relay being activated turns the heater on. Sometimes they can be hard to start in the winter, and people change the starter motor because it spins it over faster, puts a bigger starter motor in. But I've taken this one out and it's a dud, so this is going to be part 1, and when I get a new one there'll be part 2. But this one here doesn't seem to work at all. I put it in iced water and I couldn't get it to switch on and off or anything, so yeah, hopefully if you didn't know it was there, it might be something worth looking at if it's a bit hard to start in the cold. There's not a lot of information about it, but I'll just show you what I found. Okay, I found this on the internet from a site called, I'm going to look at the top of it, see if I can zoom in on a wee bit, 4cardata.info, and it says here, gives you the information, diesel temperature is below 6 degrees, and then it the coil heats it to a maximum of 15 degrees before directing to the pressure pump. So before you race out and replace the starter motor with a bigger starter motor to spin the motor spin it over faster, maybe take a look at this. If you want to know what the part numbers are, send a message and I'll answer that. Okay, well, that's it for now. There'll be a part 2 when I get a new thermal switch, and then I'll show you how I tested them. But I basically put it in ice water to see if it would. Put it in ice water, and I tried heating it, and nothing happened. So we'll see what happens when I get a new one. Well, okay, that's it for now. Hopefully it helps you a bit.